In this tutorial, let's talk about how to mark the obstacle points. The obstacle area should be accurately marked when obstacles are in the field. Please use T marker while marking the obstacle points. Circular obstacle point. Please select the circular obstacle point when there is a small tree, a utility pole, or other single obstacle. Hold the T marker at the center of the obstacle. Press the button on the T marker or choose Dot on the app to record the obstacle point. The radius is 10 meters by default. Click the red circle. You can adjust the radius by plus and minus. Please set the radius according to the actual situation. We suggest the users add 2.5 meters based on the actual obstacle radius while setting this parameter. The radius of the circular obstacle point must include all the branches, otherwise the drone may crash. Polygonal obstacle points. Please select the polygonal obstacle points when there are electrical wires, trees, or other irregular-shaped obstacles. Mark the points around the obstacles. Make sure the marked obstacle area covers all the obstacles. Notes: keep a distance of at least 1 meter between each point. The obstacle points should be marked in order. Please mark at least 3 polygonal obstacle points. The area should cover the obstacle completely. The lines between the points should not intersect with the obstacle. Click OK after marking the points. You can delete the wrong circular or polygonal obstacle points. Click on that red point. Click the delete icon and you can mark a new point. After marking the obstacle point, you can adjust the obstacle safety distance in the field planning. Obstacle safety distance setting. The default value in the latest version of the app is 2 meters. Please adjust according to the actual situation. Notes: in the autonomous operating mode, the obstacle avoidance action will not be triggered if the actual obstacles are inside the marked obstacle point area. The obstacle avoidance action will be triggered if the marked obstacle point area cannot cover the actual obstacle completely.